Okay, so here's Galaxy Hotel. Give you a little quick tour. There's a lot of stuff happening here, a lot of stuff that's changing. So we're outside. These are all brand new buildings right there. So those are some says something Marina Bay, something like that. And there's a big waterfront right there. And they also have some construction over here. And they built this road a little bit differently. And that's Zhuhai, China. Those lights over there, and that's going to be part of Hengqin. That's going to be. Oh, there's so much to say. Let me just come back, show you this real quick, and we'll be back, and we'll tell you more about Galaxy. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are back at Galaxy. Let me just kind of walk over here so you can see. There's a big nice green grass over here that oh, there's somebody over there with the camera. But those are two wings, and there's a new wing over there as well, that one in blue, just kind of like right there. We're gonna walk over there in a minute. And this is kind of a main street that goes all the way down to the beaches, Kolowan beaches, and the hiking trails way down there in Kolowan as well. And then yeah, these are all two brand new buildings. They were just constructed. That's a quarantine hotel right there. We're still in the COVID era of 2021. I always feel like I'm documenting everything, you know, because this is kind of captured in time. This was just built this year, just put up a few months ago. And this Galaxy, there's that blue one right there is new. We're gonna walk over to that side in a minute as well. And that's a quarantine hotel. There's Broadway over there. That's kind of new within a few years. So if you see this like 10 years from now, this is all kind of when all this stuff is being built. That's Hengqin over there, and that is inaccessible to people unless you have a China passport or a homecoming visa if you're Chinese and live in Macau. This is brand new. This just opened up about a week ago. This right here is a new road to bring the traffic and move it along a little bit better than before. So yeah, that's pretty amazing right there. That little red building over there, that's part of the new financial center. So there's a lot of stuff happening. Soon that's going to be kind of melding into, it already looks like the part of the Macau skyline. Let's get back to our Galaxy so you can see how beautiful that is. That is a beautiful thing. Yeah, and I guess this is kind of geared towards, you know, like in the future, well, that's Zhuhai, China right there, so, or Hengqin. So, you know, I think at some point it'll probably come right into this strip right here. And then when it does, this is all set up for that time era so that when they come in like that, you can see it. You can also see this from the train line. There's a train line up here. There's a couple roads and a train line. So we have a few things happening in this area. I hear some water right there. Looks like it's pumping out water. They're always pumping out water in this area. So that's our Galaxy right there. And we're gonna keep on walking down along away towards Peacock. This is a station over there. And we want to kind of show you exactly that new building as well. So we're gonna walk over in that area. You can see lots of beautiful landscaping in here. And at nighttime it's quite well lit, so it has that beautiful effect even at this time in the evening as well. And here's Galaxy. They keep they're expanding significantly, so when this is actually fully finished, I can't even imagine how massive it's going to be. You know, if I wanted to walk around this property, it'd probably take me a good 30 minutes just to walk around the block, at least 20 minutes. Depends on how fast you walk. I'm a fast walker, so maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes for a normal paced walker. I got to slow down now so that I don't walk too fast so you can capture the scenery here. There's the Galaxy right there. That's where it just came from. Those are all brand new ways to move traffic around a little faster, get people to where they're going. Here's some music over there too. Bum, 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 bum. That looks nice though. But yeah, they're building these different wings all around, so there's going to be one way on the other side, which takes forever to walk all the way down that way. So I don't know how they're going to manage that. Maybe they'll have little golf carts or something to move people around. I don't know, but I think they basically have all these wings around the peripheral part, And then inside they already have a giant swimming pool. It's quite massive, easy to get lost in. So I think it's going to be kind of an extension of that. And I think what I'll do in a second is I'll turn off the camera and then we'll come around to this new thing that's on the side. So let me do that right now. Okay, now we're still walking kind of towards this galaxy right here. And this right here, there's a bus stop, and that's Taipa proper, like the central downtown area. And then there's also Taipa Village that's between Taipa. All those tall buildings are kind of like the proper area down there. And Taipa Village is kind of this quaint old historical area with a lot of kind of cool restaurants and some bars in there too. And this was kind of the first original one, and now they're kind of building this new one that's just been built. So we're gonna try to walk over there, try to capture some of that. A lot of people walking around tonight. And that's our entrance right there. And you got that giant thing that goes up into the sky as well, way up there. And it looks like a lot of people are coming out of work. I don't know. Okay, it looks like a lot of construction, so it must be, it's about 6:30 p.m. I think. I'll put the time down below, maybe 7. So maybe a lot of people are working on the construction part of this casino, and they're getting out of work. Because I see a lot of hard hats and things like that. So we're gonna go right up to our building over here. Okay, it's called the East Square. And that's our new building. That's brand new, the East Square. So let's take a look at that. These are our employee buses. Somebody just, I think it's sort of like metal crunching right there. So that's all construction. So they're coming out of the construction part right there. And that's called the East Square. And actually there was a big wall right there. Let's just see what that all is. So that's still under construction right there. But this just came up about a week ago. So I was really surprised. I could see it from a distance, and it's quite bright, and the lights will continually change. So that's new. Let's walk in a little bit. When you walk in, there's a food court, things like that. So we'll go towards that. Yeah, actually there was this giant wall right there, so that's going to be all open up now in the future. Still working on some cranes and things like that. And that's that giant thing right there. And they're doing lots of construction on this side too, I guess. I think that should be about ready. So yeah, that's our new structure right there. And we'll walk in on this side and see. I don't know if I've come in on this side before. I think this is always closed. It's a little bit confusing. But that's that building. Let's go in and check it out. Here I got everything ready. Got my mask on. From that over there. Okay, let's go on into the East Square and we'll go see what it's all about. Here's some of the stuff you can get. Okay, it looks like we go right into the food court. So the East Square is part of the food court. And we have to show the health code Pop Mart right there. Okay. Let's walk into the galaxy a little bit. So yeah, it looks like the east wing, there's a movie theater up that way. I think the movie theater is changing a little bit. Nice food court right here. We'll just go in a little bit. I have filmed in here quite a bit in the past, so I'm not too keen to keep filming it. But I am kind of coming in at a different way today, so maybe that might be interesting for people to see it. I did film maybe 15 minutes, not too long ago. Some places I like. Sarapao. Oh, there it is. Sarapao. Korean cuisine. This is a little food cart in here. And there's also shopping all along down this way. Watson's. And this shopping goes all the way around. All around the peripheral part is all shopping. It's pretty nice, of course. And then the gaming is in the middle. Yang simplings. Okay. Just a little touch of so I guess when the that new one is open, we saw the construction outside. It'll probably come out right over on this side, right over here. There's your Starbucks. It's hard to talk with a mask on. There's the Starbucks right there. So I think that'll be where the new entrance will be, right in that spot, and then you'll come in. So I guess this would be kind of an entry spot as well. We got a casino to the right, so that looks so nice. It's all kind of new. Looks new to me. I don't remember seeing it. I think it's going to be set up for that door right there when that opens up. So I think I'm going to end it here, but at least you got a little taste for the inside. There's a lot more shopping all the way down there. You can just keep walking all the way around, and casino ground over there, and then this would be the all the shopping, and then the food court is over this way, and also the cinema too. Okay, so we're just gonna end it right there. Hope you like this one. Make some comments down below.
Toma cuidado la